Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 flow. If you're interested in the flow, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, make sure you have lights on your vacuum up at the top, the two buttons here. And a restart is different from a reset. We're not doing any of that. We're just doing a simple power cycle. We're turning it off and back on. So otherwise known as a restart or a reboot. So go ahead, hold down the power button for a couple of seconds here and watch the light change.
Turning off.
So voice prompt, it said turning off, so we're going to let go. The lights shut off. Now we'll just give it a second for good measure. If you want to come back in a couple minutes, that's fine too, depending on what you're trying to troubleshoot or do with your particular vacuum. For us, we're going to go ahead now, we're going to press and hold and watch the lights change again. The lights just came back on. We're going to let go and wait for everything to boot back up. Got the startup music. Now the lights are solid. That's it. That's how you restart or reboot your Roborock Qrevo Curv 2 flow.